Hello, fellow makers and storytellers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, let's talk about a new tool that's rapidly changing the landscape of our creative workshop. A tool that's both exciting and, for some, a little intimidating. I'm talking about artificial intelligence, or AI. Every tool in my shop, from hand drills to 3D printers, each one meticulously chosen and cared for, serves a purpose. But none work without a human touch, without the spark of human ingenuity. Now, AI has joined our toolkit, and it's unlike anything we've seen before. And its arrival is causing a stir, excitement, confusion, even fear, as we grapple with its potential and its implications. Many worry AI will replace filmmakers, that it will automate the art out of filmmaking. But I see it differently, and I hope to show you why. AI isn't a rival. It's not here to steal our jobs or diminish our creativity. It's a collaborator, a partner in the creative process. Think of it like the best, most efficient production assistant you've ever had. It can research vast amounts of information in seconds, brainstorm potential ideas and solutions, and organize complex projects with ease. But it has no vision, no personal history, no life experience to draw upon. The magic, the heart of the story, still comes from you. Your unique creativity, your artistic choices, your humanity, your ability to connect with an audience on an emotional level. So let's demystify AI in filmmaking and explore its potential together. We'll explore how it can help at every stage of the filmmaking process, from the initial spark of an idea to the final cut that reaches the audience. We'll see where it saves time and energy, freeing you up to focus on what matters most, and where only a human can, and should, make the call, where your artistic judgment is irreplaceable. This isn't about giving up control or surrendering your artistic vision. It's about expanding what's possible, pushing the boundaries of creativity, and unlocking new opportunities. Think of AI as a tool, another brush in your palette that lets you focus on the heart of your story, on crafting compelling narratives, not the tedious busy work that often bogs down the creative process. We're here to build, to create, to innovate, not to be replaced by machines, but to be empowered by them. So let's put on our safety goggles, prepare our minds, and get to work exploring this exciting new frontier. The future of storytelling is in your hands, in our hands, with a little help from AI, working together to create something truly extraordinary. Let's address the big fear. Is AI here to take your job? The truth? AI is a tool, not a replacement. Like a hammer for a carpenter or a synthesizer for a musician, AI amplifies your abilities. It excels at repetitive, data-heavy tasks, logging footage, transcribing interviews, sorting takes. By offloading the tedious work, you're freed to focus on creativity and storytelling. Imagine having more time to direct actors or experiment with edits because AI handled the grunt work. This isn't about replacement. It's about collaboration and augmentation. The filmmaker of the future won't be replaced by AI. They'll master it as a creative partner. The real question isn't, will AI take my job? But how can I use AI to do my job better? Embrace AI as your ultimate intern, not your competitor. The myth of replacement is busted. This is about building, not being replaced. Let's reframe the conversation and elevate our craft. Pre-production is where films are born, where the seeds of cinematic stories are carefully planted and nurtured. It's the crucial stage where ideas take shape and visions begin to materialize, and where AI can supercharge your creativity, acting as a powerful ally in the creative process. Stuck on a story idea? Facing that dreaded blank page? Ask AI to brainstorm plot hooks, to throw a multitude of possibilities your way and ignite your imagination. Or generate character backstories, fleshing out your characters with rich histories and motivations. Need research? Overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information? AI can summarize complex topics or create glossaries in seconds, saving you countless hours of tedious work. Building a world, crafting intricate landscapes and cultures. Use AI to visualize settings, bringing your imagined environments to life with stunning detail. Generate mood boards, capturing the atmosphere and tone of your film in a single glance. Or create storyboards from your descriptions, translating your written words into a visual narrative. Not an artist? No problem. Visualizing your ideas is now within everyone's reach. AI image tools can turn your words into visual references for your team, ensuring everyone is on the same page. For historical accuracy, ensuring your film resonates with authenticity, AI can quickly gather details on costumes, props, or dialogue from any era, providing invaluable insights into the past. Script stuck? Dialogue feeling flat? AI can outline scenes or suggest dialogue variations, helping you overcome those creative hurdles. The result: faster, richer pre-production, with more time for your unique vision, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. AI doesn't write your film. It's a tool to enhance, not replace. It accelerates your process and deepens your research, providing you with a wealth of information at your fingertips. Use it to spark ideas, not to replace your imagination. Let it be a catalyst for your creativity. The blank page just got a lot less intimidating. Embrace the possibilities. Let AI handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on the art. Unleash your creative potential. On set, chaos reigns, but AI can be your organizational lifeline. AI-powered tools can log takes, tag footage, and track metadata automatically. Imagine an app that listens to script notes and tags clips with character names and actions in real time. No more hours spent logging footage or searching for that perfect take. AI can also monitor continuity, flagging inconsistencies in costumes, props, or set dressing. It can alert you if you missed a crucial shot before you wrap a scene. The result? Fewer reshoots, less stress, and more focus on directing and performance. AI doesn't make creative choices, it ensures you have the data to make yours. Think of it as a vigilant assistant, catching what you might miss in the heat of production. The creative vision is still yours. AI just keeps the process running smoothly. Stay organized, stay creative, and let AI handle the details. The set just got a little smarter. Post-production is where your story takes shape and where AI truly shines. AI can transcribe dialogue, making footage searchable and enabling text-based editing. Highlight the lines you want, and AI assembles a rough cut in minutes, not days. For color and sound, AI tools can balance shots, clean up audio, and even generate temp music. This gives editors and designers a strong starting point, freeing them to focus on creative choices. Need B-roll? AI can suggest relevant stock footage based on your script. For narration, AI voice generators create scratch tracks so you can perfect timing before hiring talent. Every step is faster, letting you experiment and iterate more freely. AI handles the technical drudgery, you shape the story. The result? More time for artistry, less time lost to busy work. Post-production becomes a creative playground, not a bottleneck. Let AI accelerate your workflow, not define your vision. The final cut is always yours. For all its computational power and vast capabilities, AI has hard limits. It's a tool, an instrument, but not a creator in the truest sense. And that's where you come in, the human element, the artist with a vision. AI can analyze data with incredible speed and mimic styles with impressive accuracy. It can identify patterns and trends that might escape human observation, but it has no empathy, no lived experience to draw upon, no soul to pour into its creations. It lacks the fundamental understanding of what it means to be human. It can't feel heartbreak, the sting of loss, the soaring heights of joy, or the quiet wonder of a starlit night. It can't truly understand why a story matters, why certain narratives resonate with audiences on a deeply emotional level. Only you can infuse a film with meaning, with purpose, with a message that speaks to the human condition, theme, emotional truth, and the subtle nuances that make a story unforgettable. AI can generate ideas, churn out concepts, and explore countless possibilities in a matter of seconds. But only you know which ones resonate with your vision, which ones have the potential to become something truly special. It can structure a plot, create a framework, and even suggest potential narrative arcs. But only you decide what's worth telling, what stories deserve to be shared with the world. Creative decisions, the choices that define a film's unique identity. Intuition, ethics, and taste. These are the qualities that separate art from mere imitation. Are uniquely human, impossible to replicate with algorithms and code. AI can't inspire a team, foster collaboration, or ignite the passion needed to bring a film to life. Guide an actor, coax a performance, or unlock the emotional depth of a character. Or judge when a scene is perfect, when the magic is captured, when the truth shines through. It has no ethical compass, no sense of right or wrong, no understanding of the consequences of its actions. It can't weigh the impact of a story on real people, the potential to inspire change, or the responsibility that comes with shaping narratives. You are the guardian of meaning and responsibility in your work, the protector of truth and authenticity. AI can answer what and how, providing technical solutions and efficient processes. But only you know why. The deeper purpose behind your work, the reason you're driven to create, your perspective, your beliefs, your passions. These are the ingredients that make your work unique and meaningful. These are irreplaceable, the essence of your artistic identity. AI can help build the house, lay the foundation, and construct the framework. But you decide where the windows go, what color to paint the walls, and what makes it a home, a place filled with warmth and personality. The why is your signature, the mark of your soul on every frame. No machine can ever forge it. No algorithm can ever replicate the authenticity of your vision. That's the heart of storytelling, the human connection that transcends technology and resonates through generations. When you see AI as a partner, not a threat, your creative process transforms. It's a hybrid workflow, your vision and emotion, AI's speed and options. You provide intent, AI provides possibilities. Ask for visual concepts or temp music. AI generates options. You refine and choose. This loop lets you experiment faster and more freely than ever before. Want to see a scene at night instead of day? AI can mock it up in minutes. Wonder if your protagonist should be someone else. AI helps you explore the what-ifs. By automating the tedious, AI frees your mind for big creative questions. You steer the ship. AI handles the logistics. The result? More time for artistry, less for admin. This isn't less human. It's more focused, more ambitious, and more you. The future of filmmaking is a true partnership. Let's make it work for you. Ready to dive in? Start small and practical. Pick one problem in your workflow, writing, visuals, or post, and find an AI tool to help. For writing, try ChatGPT or Gemini to brainstorm ideas or rephrase tricky lines. Use playful prompts to get comfortable, then apply it to real projects. For visuals, experiment with Mid-Journey or Stable Diffusion to create mood boards or storyboards. Learn to prompt descriptively and use AI images as references for your team. In post, explore AI features in editing software, text-based editing, noise reduction, color matching. If transcription eats your time, let AI handle it. If sound mixing is tough, try AI audio tools. The goal, solve one problem, then build from there. Don't try to overhaul everything at once. Let AI be your creative sidekick, not your replacement. Start small, experiment, and grow your toolkit. The future is hands-on, so get your hands dirty. We've explored AI's role in filmmaking, and the verdict is clear: it's an amplifier, not a replacement. Every leap in film technology, from sound to color to digital, sparked fear, then innovation. AI is the next step, a new color on your creative palette. It automates the mundane so you can focus on the meaningful. If you guide it with your vision, AI becomes a powerful engine for originality. The final cut, the final spark, the final meaning, those are always yours. The responsibility for great films remains in your hands. Be curious, be bold, be experimental. Don't shy away from this new toolbox. Open it up and see what's possible. Use AI to break creative blocks, visualize new worlds, or reclaim your time. Your voice matters more than ever. AI isn't here to silence you. It's here to help you turn up the volume. Now go make something incredible. The future of storytelling is yours to shape.